Okay. All right. So welcome to another video. So this video is actually different because I will look at 5 business days. What happened in the market from Monday to. So now let's get started. So based on my strategy, I will have a look on what happened on since Monday. Tuesday. Remove drawing. So I'll start from the beginning. So this is New York opening time. So this is the time where I start trading. And this is the time where I'm out of the markets. Trade 1 hour. That's it. So Monday was really interesting. The market was bullish, very strong, bullish. Here. So first, the second, the third, 4, 5, 6, 7 candles, 7. Very strong to go for a buy opportunity. But what I'm looking at based on my setup and my strategy and what I have seen since I was focusing on this instrument, which is like this opportunity right here. If I look at this here, no reason, I have no reason to buy at all. So I will only cause don't see a support created or resistance. You will never see me in the future do that. So yeah. So here you can see we have resistance level right here. Candle, you can see it's something interesting. It's, look at this. This is very important. So the candle, so we have a resistance. That's one. Second, the bullish candle break is low, which is very interesting. And the second one create 10. So if I trade this Monday this week, I will complete this trade. It will be my first, definitely. So this is the first. So at this point, I don't think the price will reach the TP, but if we look at the if we look at the point here, it's oh, 18, 19, something like that. So 19 points, which like, 1,000 something, something like that. The euro size. So we have like around 20 points for this. This is the first one. What happened after that? We have a bullish candle and then the bearish candle. So here we have support level, yes, but I don't think I will take a trade. Why? Because this candle not break of the previous candle, which is this one. This is very that's which one. You see that the by the law of the previous candle, there is next candle to go in the same direction. Exactly what happened just right here. So here we have a resistance level of okay, that's the first one. Second thing, it's really important. The candle should break the previous low. Resistance, so we're looking for a sell position. So the candle should break the low of the previous candle. And here we go. Boom, 19, 20 points. That's it. In and out. In, out. That's it. The next candle, yes, we have a support level, but it's not enough for me to take the trade. Why? Because this candle did not break the previous low. Okay, so I'm not taking any trade at this candle. Okay, let's move to another support level. That's support level, but again, this candle did not break the previous high. If this candle break the previous high, it will be interesting to jump into the trade. So obviously we can see here that the market is bullish. So the good thing is just wait for a support and then the trend is your friend because the trend here is bullish. So the trend is your friend, bullish market is your friend. So just wait for a buy position. But to take a not take history. Stick to my rules. So on Monday, I would take only one trade. That's it, which is this one. And the profit is 19 points. So it depends the risk that I would take. So that's it for Monday. Let's go to another business day, which is Tuesday. So just a quick something real quick. Normally, people they say, "Oh, the trend." you are in and out, candle or candle, something like that. With respecting risk management, you don't have to respect the rule, the famous sentence, the famous one that says the trend is your friend. Here, we see that the market is bullish. Just wait for a buy position. But for scalpers, if you are a swing trader, but if you are a scalper, you can against the trend, you can go in the same time you can the trend, you can go in the opposite of the trend. It doesn't matter why, because they are just in and out. That's it. Boom, quick, you know. So definitely at some the price will do a retest. We may take that retest opportunity. But swing trader, they wait for retest and then they go with the market. Okay. So yeah, that's it. So we have one trade in profit on market. Okay. Let's go to another business day, which is Tuesday. There we go. This means I am in. I am in the market. So what we have here, we have the market create a very strong bullish candle, very interesting. The second candle, bearish candle. So at this point, we have a resistance level, right? And normally, I set up my strategy to see confirmation. I do not take a trade if I see support or resistance. We have a resistance, okay? And the second one is I have to see the candle break the previous low. At this point, the previous candle is very strong than this candle right here. So this candle did not break this previous low. But here we have something very important. So I have my first confirmation right here. So what do you think to be the second confirmation? I will give you 5 seconds. There is another confirmation for me to take right here. So can you see that confirmation? So I give you 5 seconds. 5, 3, 1. Did you see it? So if you see it, that's good. If not, this is the second confirmation. But we can see this, and you can see the stochastic right here. You see very clearly we have a very strong, wherever you have like divergence, when you see two highs or two lows, divergence for both. So at this point, we have in a sell position. So we have a divergence in a sell position. So as you can see right here, this so between this point and this point, let's see what happened here. Is happening right here. So as the chart is going up to this side is higher than this one. But it should be the opposite. Why? Because at this point. So this point here is resistance level right here. But this one, so the stochastic show us very strong confirmation, which is difference. So if you can see this difference while you're trading, I would really wait. But if you stick to your rules, that in as well. So this would be very interesting, and I will definitely take a trade right here. So the candle, which is beautiful, nice. So we have a winning trade here. So what happened after that? Yeah, 1, 2, 3. The third candle bearish as well. And here we have a very strong support level. Yes. Yes, this one, I like this support. It's very nice. So we have a very strong support. And the candle create the candle break the previous time. Beautiful. So at this point, I will take a trade. Yes, will take the trade, and I will lose. So at this point, I think I will lose like 10 points. I risk. So obviously, what happened is the price went down, maybe, and then go up, and then at some point, the price reached like how much, like 20 points, 16 points, and then boom, came back. Sometimes we're gonna take losses as well. It's the part of the game. Or Maybe it would be the opposite. If it's the opposite, I'm not taking this trade because I see the opportunities, see the confirmation, the true confirmation. I have to wait for this candle to create. So I have to wait for this candle to create the previous high, create the low, and then break the previous. But sometimes what happens, keep going, but it's trade. If this is exactly what happened, I am not in this trade. So I didn't take loss. But I would say, let's, example, let's say that I lost this trade. So we have one in profits, the target, which is 30 points, and I am in a loss of 10 points. So I am still in a profit of 20 points. Basically, so what happened next? Right here, we have a resistance level. Yes, but again, the candle did not break the previous candle, uh, previous low of the candle. So I'm not in the trade. The next one, bearish. Even if I took a trade this one, the candle would stop in break even. So what happened next? The next candle, support. Yes. Second. So the next candle, had the create, and then boom, I am in the trade. So at this point, we have the second in a loss, third in a profit. So two in profit and one in a loss. Okay. Next one, have a resistance level. Okay. This is resistance level. What is the second confirmation? So see that we don't have that, yeah. So here we have another give you 5 seconds to see where is it. Where is the second confirmation? 5 seconds. So 5, 4, 2, 1. Do you see it? If you see it, brilliant. If not, I will show you. Right here, we have a resistance level. That's our first confirmation. Beautiful. The second one, the candle did not break the previous low. Okay, no problem. But you see down here in stochastic, we have another divergence. So this day, Tuesday, then many. I have never realized that I will be in a day where I will find two divergence. you took the two divergence, you will be in a profit. So look at this right here at this point. So if you see this one, that is divergence number one. But we see at this point from here to here, and you can see here. So we can see that in stochastic, so we can see that in stochastic the price is going down. In the chart, it's not. So this is what we call a divergence in a sell position, like what we have right here. So that is our second component. That would be really interesting to check sell position right here. See? So the price went down, it's closed a little. So anyway, regardless if the price I have secure profit. If this candle did not reach 30 points, once the candle and I will be in. Oh, it's fine. So we have 30 points plus 12 points, which is 42 points. This loss, which is 10 points. So we're still in a profit of 32 points. So we have one, two, and this one. I forget this one. So we have one profit. We have another one. That's the EP. Second, but the third trade. So the first and the third and the fourth. So in total, I took four. In a second one in a loss, the third in a profit, and the fourth in a profit. So the first one touched TP, the third one touched TP. So 30 plus 30 plus, let's say, only 10 points. So 30 plus 30, 60 plus 10, 70. 70 minus the loss that it's 10 points. 70 minus 60 points. So I am still in a 8 points. So Tuesday, I had one profit trade, one trade. Tuesday, I have one, three trade, three in a profit and one in a loss. So three minus one, so in profit. Say three. Beautiful. Let's go to another business day, which is Wednesday. Not take any trade. Do not trade on Wednesday. So Wednesday, no profits. Okay. Okay. So let's go to Wednesday. 230 and 330. So let's have a look on the opportunities the market gave us on Wednesday. Okay, so the first bearish candle, second bullish, bearish. Okay. Mm, So here we have a support level. Okay, that's the first confirmation, and the second one, the candle break the previous high. So we took this trade, we would be in a profit, definitely. Especially this candle, the low, then up and those bullish. That is so this one in profits. Yes. Here we have a resistance. Okay, but the candle did not break previous. Okay, so I will not take any trade at this point. But again, here we have another confirmation, which is this time you have to know. So we had it on previous day. So here we have again a divergence. So look at this point, and look at this point. So it's one and two. So we can see very clear that the price in the chart is going on and it create the highs. Okay, every time we have like a higher high, and here the price, we can see very clearly that the price is going down right here. So from here to here. So if you squeeze the chart, you can see very clear that stochastic we have a divergence, this level. So if you see this confirmation, you took a trade, you will make profit. So the candle create the high, and then boom, down, down. So at this point, you have two trade in a profit. Number one, here we have support level. Have a support level right here, but candle did not break previous high, so I am not taking any trade. Here we have a resistance level. Right here we have a resistance level, but and the candle break the previous low. So if I trade this, if I took this trade, you know what I'm gonna do? I would find it very interesting to me. Okay, so I got two confirmations, right? So what I'm gonna do is I will base my stop loss and take profit and wait the price create a high and then go down. But you can see right here, the price once start going up, I don't think that the price went down. So we can see here very clear that once the candle closed with a small body, small bearish body candle, price boom. So you can see right here, this candle close this body, the price just boom, jump and break previous high. So this means the price did not came back. Okay, so I will not open the trade. I will I will place my stop loss and profit. Yes, that is right. But place an order which is buy or sell. No, I will not place a sell order right here because the price was went up, came down. So at this point, there is no trade. Okay. All right. So here again, have a very strong support at the candle break the previous high. Very interesting. What I'm gonna do is I will take a trade right here. But look what happened. We have why we have a loss. Is our setup, our strategy is not good? No. Something is missing? No. We have two confirmation. We have a very strong support. The candle, the candle broke the previous high, and even the body closed above the high, even above the previous resistance, which is very important. So there is, in a normal market condition, this candle should go up. Candle should go up. But as we know, on Wednesday, there is a lot of, I would call, manipulative candles. They are not on it. So obviously what happened here, candle create a low and then went up and boom in a profit for a little bit and then went down and probably went up and down and one by the end of the time the candle closed bearish. So this is what I call it manipulative candle, and this is one of the reason why I do not trade in Wednesday. So this one, if I took a trade for this one, I am in a loss. Okay, so we have another support. So we can now here we understand, like we can say that we have a breakout and then we test of this. We have a resistance level, we have a breakout, and then we have a support, and then it makes sense for the price to go up. I know that, but I have my own terms, my own condition to take a buy or a sell, and even with that price action, if I just implement my conditions, my informations, my setup, I will take this trade. Not because, oh, we have a resistance level here and we have a breakout and we have retest. This this is not happen all the time. Buy or swing trade. I think, yeah, you will find many like this setup. But for me, I am, uh, don't get this setup too much. I like this setup when I have resistance, breakout, retest. So here we have the very interesting. Get ready. Go take a trade right here. And price went up. And don't think the price did not reach my TP, but that is fine. The profit. How much? That's nice. So in the total, have one in a profit, trade in a profit. No, not in a loss. So the first one and the second one in a profit, or one in a profit. If you risk only 1%, 1%, 1%, 1%, 1%. Okay, four trade, for example, and one in a loss. So let's say, for example, I get 1% in profit or trade, or and 2% in a profit. 3 minus 1, I'm still in a profit, 2%. But I'm not gonna. Let's go to Thursday. Right. Right. So Thursday we have Tenor and CPI. Yes. So CPI, I have a different setup to trade CPI, but I'm not going to talk about it. Just just New York session, but it's news, yeah. But what I'm trying to share on, on YouTube is just technical analysis. But the news, I am not sharing anything about. It gives the market a lot of value. So definitely the fund. Once we have a news a lot. And what happened is when we have enter, there's a high probability it to be way more than you expect. Normally you get like 20 point, uh, 15, 17 points. But when you trade in a day where there is impact news on that day, there is a candle to reach the TP. So let's get started. So today at this Thursday, and we have CP. I'm not gonna talk about it. So I start just right here. This is the New York Open. The point I am out. 1 hour and I am done. All right. So here we have a bearish candle. All right. So that what happened? Have a support level, but uh, not interesting. Why? Because the candle did not break the previous high. Beautiful. Now we have a very strong resistance. Nice. So have a very strong resistance. Nice. Second confirmation is candle should break the previous low. And that is exactly what's happened. And candle didn't, but lows below the previous low would be. So whenever you see like this setup, whenever I have seen in the past, next candle 100%, 100% it's in a profit. And it's what's the word? It's you one trade, you risk like 1%. This trade, it's to take it's 1%, 2% right here. So how much I will pay. This point, we took this trade, could make 25%. When I risk 1% on the loss, at this point, I will make 2,500. But if I risk the double of the risk that I normally use, if I risk like 2%, I would make the double. So 2,500. This point, I would make 5%. While we are scalpers, above scalping. So yeah, this is our first uh, trade, and it's Thursday. Beautiful. Here, what happened next? We have a very nice, and the candle is high. And again, like what I said earlier, but when you have a candle break the previous high and close above or below, depend. We are in a bullish market right now, so the candle close above the candle. So break previous high and the candle closed above the person. So if I trade this day, I will miss this one. Why? I have the first confirmation, I have the second confirmation, but always, I wait for the high and low because we are in a buy position, right? But at this point, the market did not give the, the low. Once this candle closed, price just went up non-stop. Boom. See? So I would miss. I will definitely see the opportunity. I will definitely set my stop loss, take profit, but the candle, I will be waiting for the candle to create a low, but at this point, no, no chance. So we miss this trade, okay? All right. So this one. So we have one profit trade so far. Okay. We have one, and the second one we missed. That's fine. No worries. Let's go to another one. Here we have a resistance level, right? That's the first confirmation. Second, don't have the second one. So this candle did not break the previous high, so I am not interested. Okay, so what happened next? We have a very strong support, right? Okay, the candle break the previous high, all right? Close above. Nice, really nice. So I would be waiting for this candle to create the low on buy. And here we go. We are in profit of buy. Price 8.98. It's very small because we have a very like big candle, but this one TP hits the price hit by TP. So at this point, oh, we didn't finish this. We have another opportunity right here. We have a resistance level, really nice. It's low, interesting. So let's get ready. We set our stop loss, take profit, and here we go. Boom, sell, and we are in profit again. I don't think the price hits the TV, but I can see very clear that we are in a profit of this trade. So in total, we have one, we took one and two and three. So three trades. And the fourth one, unfortunately, we miss it. Why? Because candle did not create the high, the low. Okay, so one in a profit, second in a profit, and the third in a profit. So three trade in a profit. We can have three trade in profit. Right. One is Friday. Here we go. So the same setup, the same strategy that we will go. At this point, I'm in. But at this point, I am out. Nice. So the first candle closed bullish. All right. After that, we have a resistance level. Okay. Does the candle break the previous flow? No. So I'm not interested. Okay. And there is something else. Uh, this candle that is break the previous high. Normally, if we are in a sell position, we have a resistance level. We want to take a trade, and we see this kind of this is train. So we are in a sell position. Normally, this candle should not break the previous high, normally, but it's anyway, it's weird for me. It's weird as a trader. It makes no sense. It's breaking previous high, like that then won't go down. But this is not happen normally in Friday. This is happen in Wednesday because it looks like a manipulated candle. But anyway, I do not have patience to take the sell right here. So I will not be bothering you. So that's it. So I'm not in a trade. Okay. All right. So next one we have a support level. Mhm. This is a support, but the high did not break high. So I am not taking this trade. But the trade in a profit anyway, but I'm not taking it. What happened next? We have we have another resistance level, and again, uh, the candle did not break the previous high, the previous low. So I am not interested. Okay. The next one is a very strong support level right here. And this one is very important. So we have a strong support candle. The candle break the high. Okay, interesting. I will be ready to place a trade right here. But unfortunately, the price did not uh, create a low, which is very important. Price went up non-stop. So at this point, I will miss it. This is the market. Sometimes it is happening. It's not what it is, yeah. So the price went up and we have distance level. Okay. Did not break the low. So not interesting. What happened next? We have another support level. And the price break the candle break the previous high. So I will definitely take the trade at this point. But unfortunately, it will be in break even. candle, even, So I think if I trade Thursday, Friday, the day, I will not be in a profit, and I will not be in a loss as well. So I consider this one this trade, even it's actually it looks in profit. But anyway, it looks for me it's like break even. This one is very interesting. We have very strong resistance. Even if I give it the time normally that I'm out of the market, but I look at it, this is a great opportunity actually. But unfortunately, even if I place my stop loss of it, I would be waiting for it to come down and break previous low so I can execute trade. Unfortunately, that didn't happen. So we have a strong resistance level. Yes. Uh, I will I will wait for the candle to just I place everything in place. But if the second uh, so at this point the price closed bullish, so the price never came down. So at this point, I'm not taking any trade. So this this is not. I didn't take any trade at this point. Okay. So in total, we have only one trade. Don't even consider it's in profit. Even if it's in profit, it will be like small, like 100. That's nothing. So yeah, that's it. That's it for Friday, actually. This Friday is a little bit strange. I don't know, is it maybe because of the first month of January, uh, or of the new year of 2023? But so far, I, I would say uh, Friday break even. So no trade. But this week we had like one, two, three, four, five, six trade in a profit. We have trade Monday, have two trade, no trade. Thursday we have three trade in profit, and Friday, as you can see here, break even. So one in Monday, two in Tuesday, and three on Thursday. So in total, we have six trade in profit. So yeah, that's it for this week. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you on the next one. Ciao.